In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new FitCheck Solo study. So go ahead and open the app. Alright, first you need to create a new study name. So I'll name this Study 1. Click Create. And this brings us to the sound check screen. This is where you can calibrate FitCheck Solo. And basically calibrating FitCheck Solo, one option is to find someone with normal hearing and have them go through the calibration steps, but we'll cover that in a separate video. So for right now, go ahead and click Close. And this brings us to the Advanced Setup menu. This has several tabs that have relevant project information, and you can fill out as much information as you'd like. So for the first tab, we'll put back in our study name, so Study 1. And it also has a place where you can add hearing protectors, but I would recommend waiting until the protectors tab to do that. So our second tab is the location tab, and this is just information on the employer. So Michael & Associates. We are in State College. The third tab is the Subjects tab. So this is where you add the test subjects that will be going through the FitCheck test. And the first thing to do is click Add, and it requires you to fill out the bold information. So my name is Shandar Bragg. One option is put an employee ID. This can help identify test subjects without their name just later down the line if you're looking. All right. There. Now we're added. The next tab is the Protectors tab, and just like the Subjects tab, you go ahead and click Add, and we'll call this the 3M Foam Classic Plug. And the model is the Classic. Manufacturer is 3M. If you have relevant NRR, SNR information, you can also fill that in for the specific plug. All right, now that we have that added, we can go to the Hardware tab, and this is where you can calibrate in addition to the initial sound check screen, but you can also select different calibrations at this point. But we'll cover the calibration again in a separate video. The subject response device, that would just be your mouse, so we want to make sure we have that selected. And this brings us to the final tab, which is the method of adjustment. This is where you're going to select the test frequencies. So for our purposes, we're going to select 500, 1000, and 2000 hertz. All right, and now we're ready to test.